Hey guys, it's Amy with Lawless Orthodontics. I'm our aligner specialist here, and one of the most frequently asked questions is how to clean your aligners. So today I'm going to go over a few ways that you can do that. So while you're brushing your teeth, you can take your aligners out, and once you're finished with that, you may use your toothbrush and just some plain water and give your aligners a good little scrub. You can also use Effordent or Polydent, which is denture cleaner, and just follow the instructions as you would for dentures. A third thing that you can use is Retainer Bright. It also has instructions, and it is a tab that you can just let your aligners soak in for a few minutes. Fourth, we have mouthwash. It does suggest to use a whitening mouthwash because it is clear in color and does not stain or discolor your aligners. Fifth, you can use antibacterial soap. That's a good way to get rid of any bacteria if you have been sick while you've been wearing these. Hydrogen peroxide is another good way, and also vinegar. I hope this information was helpful. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to call our office at 270-781-1025. Thanks for watching.